Two views of the Tarantula Nebula. This is one of the most stunning nebulas. 159,800 light-years from Earth has captured our gazes once more by Webb telescope's near-infrared camera, which is on left, and mid-infrared instrument, which is on the right. The color contrasts between the two instruments reveals bright, hot clusters of massive young stars in blue through near-infrared camera, and cooler, more ghostly gas through mid-infrared instruments, as longer wavelengths of light pierce the dust clouds and reach mid-infrared sight. Here you can see stars hidden in the dust of this stellar nursery.
Inner Orion Nebula. As seen by the James Webb Space Telescope's near-infrared camera instrument, the interior of the Orion Nebula, 3 million years old, looks like an oil painting. Located about 1,500 light-years from Earth, the nebula supports the numerous massive and hot young stars of the Trapezium cluster. Orion is the closest large star-forming region to Earth.
Neptune. Did you know that Neptune has faint rings? Humanity caught its first glimpse of the rings during the Voyager 2 spacecraft flyby in 1989, and the Hubble telescope in visible light in breathtaking shades of blue. But Webb's near-infrared camera captured a view of the ice giant and its rings like never before. Webb's camera also reveals faint dust bands around Neptune. The planet doesn't appear blue to Webb. That's because its methane-rich composition absorbs infrared wavelengths, so it appears darker overall.
Galaxy IC 5332. If you want to see the bones of a galaxy, look no further. This image of spiral galaxy IC 5332, revealed in its stark, sharp glory through Webb's mid-infrared instrument, show gray cobwebs in the shape of a spiral. These delicate threads are gases swirled throughout the galaxy. This galaxy is over 29 million light-years away, and it's about 66,000 light-years across, making it a bit larger than the Milky Way.
Cartwheel Galaxy Composite. Here is another instance of one of Webb's first images being married to another telescope's data to birth a richer picture. In this case, data from Webb and NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory together depict the Cartwheel Galaxy. Its whimsical shape comes from a collision with a smaller galaxy, which is not shown in this image. Farther away are a host of other galaxies in multicolor.
Stephan's Quintet Composite in Infrared and X-rays. NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory data harmonizes with Webb's infrared information in this image of the four galaxies within Stephan's Quintet. The new Webb image reveals brand new details of the results of these four galaxies interacting, including dramatic gas tails and star formation. Chandra showcases this effect in light blue.
VV191 Galaxy Pair with Gravitational Lensing Pullout. This is galaxy pair VV191, in a merged image from Hubble telescope's ultraviolet and visible light view and Webb's infrared vision. The box zooms in on a stretched red arc and a tiny red dot at the core of the elliptical galaxy. Webb is the only telescope able to identify this incredibly faint galaxy that has been magnified and warped by the galaxy in the foreground, rendering it visible.
Star Duo Fingerprint. This bright glow is two stars having a rendezvous, as they do every 8 years. Ringed by 17 loops of gas and dust in orange-pink rectangles with softened edges, the stellar pair gains a new dusty ring each time they meet. This one may have already lost half its mass, setting the stage for new star formation. Webb's mid-infrared instrument specializes in picking out cooler objects like the carbon-rich dust of these two.